Yolanda from Gospel. Today let's introduce this boat. This Easycraft with 9 meters with black color. Let's detailedly see it. That's matte black color with silver color. Forward cabin with extended hardtop. Rod holder cup holders with EVA flow. With extra diving board, lighters, transom, inside part. Okay, so now we're standing in the desk. You can see this one is a solo toilet with shower, and inside with kitchen part and the driving system. Let's see it. From the back desk, we can see 2 fold-down seats with fish tank, battery tank, extended hardtop. We can see the position: 1 people, 2 people, 3 people, totally enough. And the inside part with kitchen, it's options if you want to choose. And inside part with desk, with a table, with cup holders. This one can put up and down, and the seat too can put up and down. And rest cabin, totally for adult children's, no problem. Driving system. Maroon compass, electric wiper, Bluetooth, sky windows, carpeted cabin. Perfect boat. Sliding windows. Okay, so if you want a similar boat or want to know other more information, welcome contact me. It's Yolanda.